Angelina Jolie has sparked speculation that she is suing the FBI to find out why its agents declined to charge Brad Pitt over a 2016 private jet altercation he had with her eldest son Maddox. The new lawsuit, filed by an anonymous Jane Doe, alleges the investigative bureau denied the plaintiff access to records pertaining to an investigation allegations that the woman's then-husband physically and verbally assaulted her and their children while traveling on a private plane several years ago. In 2016, soon after Jolie filed for divorce, it was revealed that Pitt was being investigated by the FBI and Los Angeles Social Services amid reports he got verbally abusive and physical with his children on a private jet traveling from France to the USA. Investigators cleared Pitt, 58, of the abuse allegations, stating he had not committed child abuse when he got into a fight with Jolie Pitt, then 15, aboard the jet. It has now been speculated that Jolie may be the woman who is suing, although a source close to her and Pitt told TMZ were given the full FBI report during their divorce. The suit alleges Jane Doe has filed numerous requests for a copy of the department's investigative file in hopes of better understanding the FBI's investigation and obtaining information necessary for her children to receive medical care and trauma counseling. High-profile attorney Amanda Kramer, who is representing the plaintiff, told Politico her client filed the suit anonymously to preserve the family's privacy. Representatives for Jolie, 46, did not immediately respond to DailyMail.com's request for comment. The filing alleges the woman's children have experienced lasting physical and mental trauma after being verbally and physically assaulted by her then-husband while flying on a private plane. The plaintiff claims the FBI launched an investigation into the incident and without advance notice to her or her children, publicly announced it was closing its investigation of the incident without further action. The woman filed several FOIA requests with the Bureau, hoping to better understand why they opted not to take action against her husband, according to the filing. She has accused the agency of not only failing to provide her with the requested documents, but also claims the FBI's responses to her requests are legally insufficient. The woman, who does not appear to have filed a formal lawsuit yet, had requested that she be permitted to proceed with the case under a pseudonym and to have it sealed. U.S. District Court Chief Judge Beryl Howell reportedly signed off on the request this week. Our position is that victims and survivors should be able to access federal agency records of crimes they experienced or reported, as is common at the state level, so they can advocate for help and trauma care and legal protection for their children and themselves, Kramer told the media outlet after declining to disclose the plaintiff's identity. Our client has been seeking such records for years and has been stonewalled and has had to resort to court action to receive those much-needed records. Legislative remedies are necessary. Speculation arose that Jolie may be Jane Doe due to the similarities between the filing and the accusations the actress had previously made against Pitt. However, a source connected to the former couple told TMZ Tuesday that both Pitt and Jolie received a copy of the FBI's report following the initial investigation into the plane incident. The source also claimed the information in the report was submitted during the couple's divorce case. The FBI did not respond to DailyMail.com's inquiry about the suit. In September 2016, the actress alleged Pitt and their son, Maddox Jolie Pitt, got into an argument on the family plane. Witnesses, at the time, alleged the confrontation between the Hollywood star and his teenage son escalated to the point that Pitt struck the boy, intentionally or inadvertently. The bystanders claimed Pitt then drove around the tarmac in a fuel truck, but returned to the plane soon after and the group departed for Los Angeles. Shortly after the alleged incident, an anonymous source called in and complained to LA County Department of Children and Family Services, alleging that Pitt had demonstrated both physical and verbal abuse. Social workers interviewed Pitt, Jolie, their children and witnesses on the plane before determining there was no case to answer and closing their investigation. Days after the alleged plane incident, Jolie filed for divorce from Pitt and asked for full custody of their kids. Once DCFS cleared him of the abuse allegations, Pitt formally responded to his ex's petition stating his intent to seek joint custody of their brood. In 2021, amid the couple's divorce and custody battle, A source close to the family said Jolie had made similar allegations in the past which were investigated by the authorities and not substantiated. The source called the accusation of abuse on the private jet her latest sad and desperate attempt to advance a false narrative at any cost. The powerhouse stars met on the set of Mr. and Mrs. Smith in 2005 and after dating for a decade they tied the knot in September 2014. They have 6 children together: Maddox, 20, Pax, 18, Zahara, 17, Shiloh, 15, and twins Vivian and Knox, 13. Jolie adopted Maddox in 2002, then Zahara in 2005, a year after she'd met Pitt while the pair filmed Mr. and Mrs. Smith. He was married to Jennifer Aniston at the time. They then adopted Pax together in 2007, and had biological kids Shiloh, Knox and Vivian afterwards. Pitt adopted all of the kids before they got married in 2014. Jolie filed for divorce in 2016, prompting a long legal battle. Maddox Jolie Pitt, then 19, testified against his father during the couple's contentious divorce and custody battle, offering a not very flattering opinion about the actor. A source also revealed during the proceeding that Jolie Pitt wanted to legally remove Pitt from his name, something his mother doesn't support.